was born with that hustle in me. I'ma run me up a check. Just put pressure on they neck and I ain't letting up yet. Thought this bitch was about to die on me. I shouldn't have gave her X. Got a felon in my car.
What's up, Winning with Twin fam? It's your boy Twin, and you can't spell twin without that win. Cause all we do is take them dubs. We got the famous cereal right here, man. We got that Cookie Crisp. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the commercial, man. I might put the matter of fact, I'm gonna put the clip in here.
You see a city, but I, Chip, see a town filled with Cookie Crisp. It looks like chocolatey chip cookies, tastes like them too, but it's a breakfast cereal. I'm coming for delicious Cookie Crisp. Going up. Got it. Woohoo! Oh! Just missed that Cookie Crisp.
The chocolatey chip cookie cereal, part of this good breakfast with 12 key vitamins and minerals.
Next time I'll get my Cookie Crisp.
Yeah, y'all got it. So yeah, man. I seen this commercial and I was like little as hell, man. And I was like, okay, Cookie Crisp. It looked pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie, it looked pretty good. My prediction right now, just gonna taste like some goddamn chocolate chip cookies and some milk. I mean, come on now, like what else could it possibly taste like, man? It can't taste that bad. It's chocolate chip cookies and some milk, man. I do that on a daily basis, man. What am I talking about? I don't eat fucking cookies every fucking day. But when I do eat cookies, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be nice and warm. Dip it in that milk. You know what I'm saying? Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the cookie gotta be soft though. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it can't be no hard ass cookie and some milk. Gotta be nice and soft. You know what I'm saying? You dip the whole cookie in there, and when you bring it back up, nigga, half the cookie is still in the cup. You just let it sit there. You know what I'm saying? And at the end, when you drinking it, still got cookie in there. Bust. Yeah, it's cereal. That's how we doing it. But let me get to the cereal, man. Let me go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Gotta taste it. Some big sniff. See the cereal gonna, you know what I'm saying, be legendary. Let's go. Oh, damn. I can't even smell. I mean, I'm all in the bag. I'm talking about all in that motherfucker. I mean, shit. I don't even know, y'all. Let's get to it. But I'm just gonna pour a little bit. But yeah, I am gonna go to the store, y'all. I'm gonna go to the store and pick out a whole bunch of stuff I don't eat. Like, I'm just gonna be trying it. Like, I'm just gonna be trying it like crazy. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to the store this weekend and we're gonna go crazy. This damn pillow getting on my damn nerves. God damn. Alright, my bad, y'all. Damn pillow and shit. Let's see what these Cookie Crisp talking about. You know what I'm saying? You gotta say it like every time you say it. If you don't, Alright, so hold on. I'm finna show y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the. Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? How they look? How they look? How they looking?
Get out the boat!
Will it be good? Will it be in rotation? We gonna see. Y'all already know how I'm coming with the spoon though, man. This is the most legendary spoon, dog. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Oh shit, let me flip y'all back up like so. Okay. Damn. Camera tweaking. Okay, let me move that out of the way. Let's see what we got. ain't bad. It ain't bad. They're not bad. I don't get that. I was really expecting that chocolate chip cookie like really taste, but it don't have that. It's like it don't even taste like chocolate chip cookies whatsoever. Like I don't know. It ain't got that chocolate chip cookie taste to me. It's cool though. It ain't bad as the Reese's Puff. I can tell you that. That Reese's Puff was trash. But it's cool. I still want to put it in rotation though.
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I don't care what nobody say. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is the top cereal, bro. If y'all got another cereal that can take that cereal down, let me know. But as far as that right now, nigga, I got my money on Cinnamon Toast Crunch all the way. I've been hearing some good shit about the honey bun cereal, but if it ain't hitting like that Cinnamon Toast Crunch, man, I ain't trying to hear it. I mean, you can cancel that. But it's cool cereal, y'all. I think I should go try it out. If y'all haven't, I mean, this cereal been out for a long ass time, so I'm just now getting to it, so that let you know. But it's cool. It's cool. But like I said, I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of stuff that I don't eat, like I've never had before in a day of my life, and I'm gonna try it out, man. I might do like what's some shit? I don't know. I'm gonna go to the store and y'all gonna see. Shit, I'm getting on for this shit. But that's it, man. I'm gonna wrap up the video. I ain't gonna keep y'all here too long. You know, y'all got better shit to do than watch me eat some goddamn cereal for 10 goddamn minutes. So I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Y'all can go do y'all thing. Y'all can go finish doing what y'all was doing, man. Beating your meat, playing Fortnite, simping over a gal, or whatever y'all was doing, man. But I ain't done winning with Twin Gang / fam, whatever y'all want to call yourself. I'm up out of here. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid. I know I'm coming with that lit content. I'm dropping bangers. I'm coming after that 1K. Y'all better help me get to that 1K, please. The magic word, I said please. So help your boy out, man. Subscribe to the channel if you new. Subscribe if you old. Haven't subscribed yet, you just watch a nigga. Go ahead and subscribe. Come on now. I'm the most lit Nashville YouTuber. I'm gonna be the top Nashville YouTuber. I'm gonna keep saying that every vid until this up in there. You know what I'm saying? Your medulla, your abu. How you? Oh shit! How y'all say that? Abu gabble man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ooh, shit, let me cut the video off because I'm not saying the word right. Something back there. Alright, y'all. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy right here. Make sure you hit the bell to turn on post notifications. Also, follow your boy on Instagram at Twin for the Win. And follow your boy on Twitter at Twin for the Win. Nothing but dubs. Winning with Twin. Gang.